In the previous part, we discovered the massive steam-powered machines that started the tractor revolution. But steam tractors were heavy, slow, and difficult to use. Everything changed in 1892 when an inventor named John Froelich built the world's first successful gasoline-powered tractor. This invention made tractors smaller, faster, and more practical for farmers. In this video, we will explore the type of engine it used, the inventor behind it, and how it transformed farming forever. The tractor in this stage of evolution used a gasoline internal combustion engine instead of steam. In a steam tractor, water had to be heated in a large boiler to create steam pressure. This process could take a long time and required constant monitoring. The gasoline tractor worked differently. Inside the engine, gasoline mixed with air and burned in small explosions inside cylinders. These explosions pushed pistons that turned the crankshaft, which then powered the wheels and machinery. Because of this system, gasoline tractors had many advantages. They started much faster than steam tractors because there was no need to heat a boiler. They were smaller and lighter, making them easier to move in fields. They required less fuel and water. They could be operated by one person instead of a whole team. This new type of tractor made farming machines more practical and affordable, which helped farmers adopt mechanized agriculture more widely. The first successful gasoline tractor was created in 1892 by John Froelich, an inventor and farmer from Iowa in the United States. Froelich noticed that steam traction engines were heavy, difficult to operate, and sometimes dangerous. He believed a gasoline engine could solve these problems. To build his machine, he mounted a single-cylinder gasoline engine onto a traction engine chassis. One important improvement he introduced was a reversible transmission, which allowed the tractor to move both forward and backward easily, something that steam tractors struggled to do. In 1892, Froelich tested his invention during the harvest season. His tractor successfully powered a threshing machine for over 50 days, proving that gasoline tractors could replace steam engines in farming. His company later evolved into what eventually became connected with John Deere, one of the largest tractor manufacturers in the world. Today, the gasoline tractor quickly became useful for many important farming tasks. One of its main jobs was powering threshing machines, which separate grain from harvested crops such as wheat and corn. The tractor connected to the machine using a belt drive, allowing the engine to provide mechanical power. Farmers also used gasoline tractors for plowing fields, pulling plows through the soil to prepare land for planting. Because gasoline tractors were lighter and easier to control than steam engines, they could move around farms more efficiently. Other common uses included pulling wagons loaded with crops, operating farming equipment such as seeders and harvesters, transporting supplies around the farm. The gasoline tractor made farming faster, easier, and more productive, helping agriculture move into the modern mechanized era. The gasoline tractor changed farming forever. But the real revolution came when tractors started being mass-produced for farmers everywhere. In Part 3, we will discover the tractor that made this possible.